you take your phone with you everywhere, to work, the store, and even when you travel. So why not give your phone the protection it deserves with a powerful and reliable VPN? Today, we'll show you how to get PrivadoVPN on your mobile iOS device. The first step is to download the PrivadoVPN app from the Apple App Store. Simply open up the App Store and search for PrivadoVPN. Next, download the application. Once the app is on your device, the next step is to sign up. You can sign up through the app or on the PrivadoVPN website. Simply enter your email address and select your plan. You'll receive an email in your inbox that asks you to verify your account. Once this is done, you can then log into your account. Open up the PrivadoVPN app on your device and enter your login information. From here, you can select any of the available global servers to get the connection you're looking for. And just like that, you're connected to PrivadoVPN. Want to learn more? Get started today and sign up with PrivadoVPN.